Yeah, you know what? The worst part about the weather for us, the worst time frame is going to be overnight Tuesday night to Wednesday. We do get some brief snow for some of us inland overnight Tuesday night, and then it's rain and a gusty wind near the coast on Wednesday. The gusts actually in Cape Cod and far southeast Mass could go over 50 miles per hour briefly on Wednesday. Turkey Day, though, is still looking good. I don't see any problems for Thursday itself. Meanwhile, temperatures right now 20s when you get in the Metro West. Natick down to 27 degrees. Most of us either side of 30. And that's the case all the way up into central New Hampshire. That's the case all the way down to Cape Cod for that matter as well. Look at a bigger picture. You can see where the next storm is. And here it is. A lot of rain with it, right? Not much in the way of snow right now. Just not enough cold air that's welled up. Well, here at home, we've got some cold air. But that cold air is going to let go as the storm comes in. So today's high temperatures, it's chilly. I mean, 38 degrees at Lawrence, 39 Manchester, about 41 in Boston. So that's why I mentioned the feels like forecast. It feels like the 30s all day when you figure in even what is just a light but steady breeze, especially this morning. Overnight tonight, down to the teens and 20s. Cold night coming up. Tomorrow, the clouds will increase. So you go from sunshine to clouds as the day goes on. That does cap the temperature as far as how high it can go. You get up to about 40 or 45, which, look, that's not very warm in the first place. And that's kind of what sets the stage for when the storm center moves in Tuesday night. So here's the map midday tomorrow. The clouds are increasing, but it's not doing anything on you. We should be fine even into the early evening as well. But by late evening, 10, 11 o'clock, the blue is snow, the green is rain. Notice the snow line is dropping down to Worcester. It's coming in through Worcester County. It's coming in along the Route 2 corridor. Never really gets farther southeast than that as we get through the overnight. In fact, it goes the other way. It retreats all the way back up to the lakes and mountains of New Hampshire by 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning. So southern New Hampshire, you'll burst a little bit of snow as well. You'll go to rain by Wednesday morning. It rains on Wednesday. It gets windy out of the southeast, and then the rain is done by late in the day so that, again, Thanksgiving Day looks very good for us overall. So in terms of how much snow we're going to get out of this, we're thinking it's probably a coating to an inch when you get into places like Worcester. It's 1 to 3 inches north and west of Leominster up into Jaffrey. Again, this would be overnight Tuesday night into the pre-dawn of Wednesday. Then your amounts would increase the farther north that you go with as much as 6 inches of snow in some of the northern lakes and White Mountains, believe it or not. When you add up the rain, should be about an inch of rain that comes through. Again, most of what falls for the Boston area would be rain. And finally, the wind starts out gusting Wednesday morning at 5 a.m. to 40 or 45 miles per hour at the coast. But very briefly, during the late morning on Wednesday, this is 10 a.m., you may gust over 55 miles per hour out of the southeast in someplace like Cape Cod. Here's the extended forecast. Again, that would be Tuesday night into Wednesday. By Wednesday, late day, it's all over. So that Thursday looks like a nice day for Thanksgiving. Highs around 50. And then this weekend for the holiday weekend, maybe some snow showers coming through Saturday.